Hello, hello, hello. This is a quick video on how to detach, how to remove yourself from your current reality so you can get what you want faster. We're living in a reality where things are physical, but we need to detach. I need to help you to detach. Some of you are watching have already know what to do about detaching from your reality, but for those of you that don't, and especially for those of you like in the back, yeah, you in the back, detachment from your desires is meaning just letting it go. It's like you want something, let's use like a financial goal. Everybody loves a financial goal. If you don't want a financial goal, you have a health goal. If you don't have a health goal, you have a relationship goal. There's somewhere in that mix that there's something you want. But if you keep sort of like wishing for it, wanting it, needing it, desiring it, you're still holding on to it. Some of you can feel it right now. You're still holding on to that desire. I've been guilty of it. I wanted something so much. I held it for so much. I didn't release it. Back then, I knew nothing about release statements. There are statements you can say that will release that hold that we keep ourselves holding on to a desire. They're release statements. There is also the holding detachment. There's a detachment. You can just detach and let go. I will use Neville Goddard's state akin to sleep technique. Right before you sleep, you see a vision of yourself doing something really short. You could use the ATM technique. You could see yourself taking out money from the ATM machine, hearing the sound. You can see yourself just withdrawing money from the ATM machine. Large amounts of money, large amounts of money, big numbers, large amounts of money, thousands of dollars from the ATM machine. You see that? You felt that? Large amounts of money. So you can see that right before sleeping. That's a form of detachment. You're detaching from your reality in the daytime or the afternoon whenever you're going to sleep, and then you're doing that state akin to sleep. You're seeing that. You're detaching. So when you're actually about doing things during the day, you're really not even thinking about it. You can constantly be saying a release statement. That's always the best. It's like, I release my desires from this. If I get it or not, I really don't care. That's a release statement. Just say that a couple of times. A couple of times. Anytime you have that feeling, just, if I get it or not, I don't care. I'm having a great time creating. You start to build that into your subconscious. But then there might be some of those of you that might find it a little bit of a hurdle to get into that habit. So for me, what I did was I went online, somewhere on YouTube here, I'll leave a link below, that I went and found a detachment meditation. So for me, for about 2 or 3 weeks, I just played that meditation every morning. Once I just wake up in the morning, I'll hit that meditation and I'd be walking around doing other things in the home. Every now and then I'd sit down and detach. I'd play it and detach. And by detaching, I'm like mentally looking at myself in the present or in the future being that I wish to embody. I see that in my mind. So I'm detaching from the present reality. I'm detaching from negative comments, negativity, any form of stress around me. I've detached. You make it sort of like, I can detach easily. Certain things don't affect me. A bill doesn't affect me. Something doesn't affect me. You're detaching from the 3D and seeing yourself as you wish to see yourself. It does take practice. It does take practice. It's basically like setting a time on your phone. You just set something on your phone to remind you to practice it. It only takes about 2 or 3 weeks to practice that detachment. Then you can think of or during the process of detachment, because I detach in the morning, and every now and then during the day, if I might find a situation where I'm feeling a little bit of the 3D, maybe you get like a new bill, you get something popped up, you're like, oh my God. I immediately do a quick 2-minute 3D detachment. I have to remember, that's the outside world. That's not happening. Try to keep my goal on the main focus. Just think about it. Give it a try. If you have any kind of desire you want to achieve, you want to create, always remember, you're going to think about it, want it so much, and then just, you have to like consciously let it go. It's like, I'd like to have something right now. I'd like to have maybe like a piece of lemon cake or a lemon pie or something with lemons in them, and I'm like, I really want it so bad. But if I get one, I get one. It's okay. I don't care if I get it or not. And now I'm going to go out and buy one. So it's like you have to like give yourself that release. I release this thought, and then just watch how it works. Once again, if you have any reservations or you need more about it, it's very simple. I'll leave a link below, or you can do it just to search yourself. Meditations on detachment. There's a bunch of channels that are doing that. Find one that works for you and then ride with it. Play it a couple of times. Get used to it, because you really have to like saturate your mind on that detachment process. You want to be able to detach months, weeks later, after you've gone through the initial steps of doing it the first time. Many of you might have heard it before. Many of you maybe haven't heard it before. But for every desire you want, always include a little bit of detachment. It does help. It helps you to shift your perspective. I kept some notes on this topic specifically because recently there was a desire I had wanted to achieve. I put it down in paper, I did my part, and I was having a difficult time trying to detach from the present reality. I was having a difficult time. So called my own personal mentor and coach. I asked him, what should I do? He said, that's very easy. Listen to this audio on detachment. I said, that's it? He said, that's it. So I listened to that 7-minute audio several times a day for about 16, 17 days, every morning. And then after that, about the 3rd or 4th week of it all, I was completely detached from the outcome. Now, some of you can do it in record time and do it like immediately. For me personally, it took me about a month to like totally learn the art of detachment. The art of detachment is that any condition can happen to you in the physical world and you're not moved. You're not phased. You're like, okay. So think about it. Ask your friends about it. Do your own research. Don't take my word on it. Do your due diligence. Check it out. The art of detachment. How does one detach? I just gave you the explanation that I have used and been working with. And the very one I tell my clients about is how to do that. So, if you have any questions, concerns, let me know in the comments, and let me know what you've tried in the world of, or in the area of detachment. I'd love to hear that. All right, thank you. You have a great day. I love you. I really do.